Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Razer headset to PS5 instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Razer headset to your PS5, start by ensuring your headset is fully charged or plugged in. Next, power on your PS5 console. Navigate to the home screen using your controller. Now, go to the settings menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Select sound from the list of options. Under the sound menu, click on Audio Output. Here, choose Output Device to set your audio source. If your Razer headset is a wired model, plug it into the DualSense controller. For wireless models, make sure your headset is in pairing mode. On your PS5, select Bluetooth devices to search for your headset. Find your Razer headset in the list of available devices. Once located, select your headset to pair it with the console. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. After successful connection, return to the audio output settings. Check the volume levels to ensure they are adjusted to your preference. Finally, test your headset by launching a game or playing audio to confirm the connection is working properly. Your Razer headset should now be fully connected and ready to use on your PS5. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.